The Camon 20 Pro is Tecno's latest device in the Kenyan market and was released in May of 2023. The device comes packaged in a white box with blue highlights, and the front of it has the name and the series of the device printed on it. The top of the box has the name of the company, while the right side and the left side of the box has the name and series of the device printed on it. The bottom of the box has the security tags attached onto it. The back of the box has a spec sheet detailing some of the technical specifications of the device. Inside the box you find the device wrapped in a plastic sleeve that also has some specifications printed on it. The device is packaged with a matte finished protective case and a warranty card. It also comes with a 33-watt fast charging power brick and has a smaller box on which the SIM key is mounted. The box also contains a pair of headphones and the USB Type-C 2.0 charging cable. The device itself has a glass front mounted onto an aluminium frame. Its top edge has a stereo speaker. The left edge has the SIM tray. The bottom edge has the headphones jack, a microphone, the USB Type-C charging port, and a stereo speaker. The right edge has the volume buttons and the power button. The back has the triple camera setup and a ring LED flash. The back is also made of a polymer called the Magic Skin and is resistant to fingerprints. The Camon 20's dimensions are 6.43 inches length, 3.02 inches width, and 0.32 inches thickness. The screen measures 6.67 inches. Powering up the device takes you standard 20 seconds, which also includes the initialization process. The AMOLED screen has a resolution of 1080 pixels by 2400 pixels, which is a ratio of 20:9. The pixel per inch density is 395. The screen also has a refresh rate of 120 Hz, which is customizable by the user depending on the function as well as battery life of the device. It also has a 360 Hz touch sampling rate for instant and accurate fingertip response, which enhances user experience. The device comes pre-installed with the Android 13 operating system and its iOS custom skin, which is also the 13th version. It comes fitted with a MediaTek Helio G99 chipset and runs on an octa-core CPU with 2 Cortex-A76 processors and 6 Cortex-A55 processors. Its graphics card is the Mali G57 MC2. The device comes with an internal storage of 256 GB. It has a base RAM configuration of 8 GB, which can be further expanded to 16 GB using universal flash storage technology. Its 120 Hz refresh rate and its high definition resolution make browsing on the device a seamless process as well as smooth media playback. The Camon 20 Pro comes with a 32 megapixel wide-angled selfie camera that has dual LED flashes. It records 1080p video at 30 frames per second. The main cluster of cameras at the back is composed of a 64 megapixel wide-angled lens, a 2 megapixel depth lens, and a QVGA or Quarter Video Graphic Array lens. This has a resolution of 360 pixels by 240 pixels. The camera takes great photos with crisp detail. in a variety of light settings. Head over to www.harperkenya.com for a full review of the Tecno Camon 20 Pro.